What's up, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. I just want to give a little bit of a update around this channel and what's happening with it, where's it going, and all that good stuff. Now, if you are here because you are looking for some tech tutorials around ClickFunnels 2.0 or Classic, then awesome. Enjoy the content that's already existing there. But moving forward, all tech tutorials and walkthroughs when it comes to either of those platforms will be located over on Repair My Funnel. It's another YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description in case you're curious, but those will be all the updated happenings or walkthroughs around the platform that you need to be aware of, including new release features that you probably want to know about, such as like the affiliate center, all that fun stuff. I actually just released a video on that. You should see it there today. So anyways, those videos still exist. They just won't exist on this channel moving forward. Now, the primary reason why the shift is happening is because I started a business called Repair My Funnel. Repair My Funnel is a support service all around the ClickFunnels ecosystem to help people overcome any technical issues that they're running into, live, on calls, or I even have done for you support services. Awesome stuff, I know. Now, all the tech stuff and tutorials and stuff will still proceed. I will still do all of those types of videos on that channel. So if you're looking forward to that, awesome, fantastic. I will look forward to seeing you on that specific channel. All right. If you have any requests for videos, same thing goes over there. Put in the comments in any of the videos, and I will do my best to point you in the right direction with a new video and a guide that will get you up and running. And with that said, that leads us to what's going to happen with this channel. What's going to happen with everything that's there? As of right now, all the content is going to stay in place. All the tutorials, all the walkthroughs, all the guides, all those will be in place in case you want to refer back to them at any point. I'm not going to remove those because it seems like people are still enjoying them. So there's that. But moving forward, all the videos are going to be more or less like me talking to the camera back and forth as I document the process and the journey that I'm going through with growing this business. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while now. As far as like actually starting a actual business, a legitimate business, that I am out there doing services for other people. So I want to document the journey for myself, for anybody else who might find value in that, and share all the things that I have found suck, all the things that I found that are awesome, the stuff I've failed at, the stuff that I've succeeded at, and just ultimately documented the entire journey. As far as like what I found to work for growing this business, in case it helps anybody else, maybe someone else in this specific spots, or a little bit 2 steps before me, might find value in whatever I'm saying or what I'm running into. And that's basically it. That's all I want to cover here. If you want to see updated videos around ClickFunnels Classic 2.0, all the good stuff, same stuff that you'd find on this channel, you'll now be able to find it over on Repair My Funnel, and I'll put a link to that in the description. Otherwise, if you need help around the platform, you want a little bit more guidance, more personalized guidance, you can hop on our calls. You can actually gate crash one of them for free if you're interested to see if it's right for you, and we'll answer all your questions right there and then. But yeah, anyways, there is that. Or if you need us to go in and do anything for you, want a little bit more of a hands-off experience, we also have done for you support systems as well. But anyways, you can check that all out at repairmyfunnel.com/expert-support. I'll put the link in the description as well in case you want to check that out. Otherwise, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.